right here, alright?
Oh, we're not doing it anymore right now,
We're not.
obviously.
She has one more left or something. Jesus Christ.
There you go.
Ow, Rishi, that hurt. Alright, Pooja. Here, Pooja, hold this.
Sure.
No, get my camera, do me.
Sure. As long as I can get to your phone without burning your carpet.
We kind of have to multitask.
Watch out. Mine's almost done.
Okay, guys, Gino, hurry up, get one and start from mine. Hurry!
Still have more? Oh, this one.
How much is left?
Oh, this is the last one.
Okay, I'll open a new one. Away from the
New
carpet.
Year's Eve home fireworks edition. Woo! Lighting up now.
I know it's dangerous to do it in the kitchen.
Whoa! Fireworks lighting like crazy.
We're just tipping me, I'm tipping her, guys.
See?
Gino's just trying to hurt herself.
My phone and I'm using hers. And then Gino's trying to cause trouble by putting her hand inside the firework.
That's right.
By the way, Gino's my little sister.
Oh no, mine's finished.
Oh, you finished?
Yeah. I dropped my cake. Guys, watch this.